What is, Hi guys, I'm Madeline from Lakesidetable. I don't know about you, but I love a good potluck. Whether it's a summer barbecue and everybody's bringing something, or a winter get together, but either way, it's a great time to bring out your favorite finger food. And out of curiosity, what's your favorite finger food? I'd love to know. Mine is deviled eggs, and that's what we're making today. They're easy and fun to do. You can top them with different things to give them their own unique personality. Today we're going to do deviled eggs simply topped with a green olive slice, and we'll do some others topped with Millionaire's bacon and Valentina's hot sauce. Take 12 boiled eggs, peel them and cut them in half. Take out the yolk, set the whites aside and put the yolks in a bowl. Add a half cup mayonnaise, half stick softened unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon salt, and a half teaspoon sweet paprika. Mix this until it's smooth and creamy. Put the yolk mixture into a piping bag and pipe it back into the whites. Sprinkle with paprika and top with a slice of green olive or a small piece of Millionaire's bacon and a drop of Valentina hot sauce. So what is Millionaire's bacon? Well, check out the link below for last week's video, but basically, it's bacon candy. You caramelize brown sugar on bacon until it becomes a salty, sweet, crunchy, chewy treat that is to die for. Pop that on your deviled egg with a spicy hot sauce and you've really got something. Seriously, take these to your next get-together. I seriously love these. They're sweet and salty with the Millionaire's bacon, and they're real tangy and salty with the green olive. Definitely gotta try these and take them to your next get-together. And in the meantime, please like this video, share it with your friends, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and head on over to lakesidetable.com for more great recipes like these. Thanks so much, guys. Have a great week, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.